Here's another reason why the Kia Forte is becoming one of the most popular cars on the road today. Hi, I'm Robert Powers at DeLand Kia. This is the 2015 Forte 5 EX in steel blue. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback combines a sporty body styling with the added value of an easily accessed enlarged cargo area to give you a car that's not only more convenient, but fun to drive and it's very comfortable. It comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, distinctively styled LED headlights and fog lights, and power folding mirrors that can be set to either auto fold when you enter or exit the car, or you can fold them manually. There's a large wraparound tail lights for added visibility at night, a rear window wiper, and pneumatic lift cylinders on the rear hatch, so opening the cargo area is easy even if your arms are full. This car features front-wheel drive, Kia's 173 horsepower, 2.0-liter four-cylinder GDI engine. GDI stands for gasoline direct injection, and that's the next step past normal fuel injection. This engine is coupled to our 6-speed automatic transmission, and with Sportsmatic shifting, you can manually shift through all 6 gears. When you step into this Forte 5, you'll see what Kia is doing right when it comes to comfort. Up-to-date technology and ergonomic design are a hallmark of this vehicle. This car seats 5 people very comfortably in a beautiful black leather upholstery. There are deep bucket seats in the front and a roomy split back seat that can fold down in a 60%, 40% configuration to expand the cargo area to a full 23 cubic feet. The leather-wrapped steering wheel is heated as well as adjustable, and the electrically assisted power steering lets you change the feel of your car depending on your road conditions or your own personal taste in driving. On the dash, you'll find a full complement of electronic instrumentation, easy to reach controls for heating and cooling, as well as a central control screen for Kia's UVO multimedia system. With this feature, you'll have complete control of the 6-speaker stereo sound system, as well as the in-car Bluetooth connectivity, vehicle navigation, and diagnostics capability. This also includes a very advanced backup camera. This 2015 Forte 5 is not only packed with features, it also has one of the highest safety ratings in the auto industry today. The warranty for your Kia Forte 5 is extensive. The powertrain is 10 years, 100,000 miles. Here at DeLand Kia, when you buy the car from us, we're going to extend that powertrain warranty to the life of the vehicle. You get 5 years, 60,000 mile bumper to bumper, which includes everything but normal wear items. And Kia also gives you 5 years, 60,000 mile roadside assistance. When you buy the car from DeLand Kia, we'll also give you lifetime oil changes using a blended synthetic motor oil and lifetime loaner cars. So come on by DeLand Kia today for a test drive.